Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for clicking on the video. Today we have a live unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the Yeezy 350 V2 Yeshaya, and this is the reflective version. I was able to cop these on release day from the Adidas website. If you guys were able to cop, congratulations. So we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing. We're going to talk a little bit about resale. So let's get right to it. For those of you who are buying shoes for resale, make sure you guys are being very careful when you're opening up the box, especially if you're planning on selling on GOAT or StockX. Be very picky on the boxes. You don't want to scratch it up or anything. So I was able to cop a size 6.5. Whenever I'm copying Yeezys, I usually try and stay under 8.5, unless I'm going for like a size 13 or bigger, rare sizes. But usually sizes below 8.5 do well on the secondary market. Let's take a look. Pretty nice. I wasn't too sure about these, being as how they're so similar to other colorways that release, like the Lundmark and the Citron. These do look a bit different. They have this strip here is actually see-through. And the midsole here, it's almost like 2 layers to them. This is like a gum sole here on the bottom, so you can see here from the front. It's actually 2 colors. Strip here on the back. Strip on the back is always supposed to be off-centered from the stitching there. Not bad at all. So right now these are selling on StockX for about $450. On release day they were selling closer to $500. So I definitely think, you know, if you can, hold on to them. I'm gonna hold on to them. I want to get about $500 for them. And personally, this is more of a summer shoe. So I think that people, come summertime, people might be looking to rock these, or probably more willing to cop them. I don't know if you can see that. Once we do the reflective, maybe we'll be able to see that a little bit better. It looks like it's reflective as well, but it says Adidas Yeezy on the inside. Back tab. So let me know in the comments, are you guys planning on holding or selling? If you copped, did you sell them already? So we do have a very busy February ahead of us with All-Star Weekend, all the releases coming out. So it's really up to you guys if you want to sell or hold. If you have the money, I would hold on to them. If you don't need the funds right away, hold on to them, I think, until the weather gets a little better, or, you know, summertime. But if you need the funds for the releases coming out for All-Star Weekend, go ahead and let them go. But I'm going to be holding on to them for just a little bit. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at it with the reflective. watching. For those of you who are going to be copying some of the upcoming releases in February, if you guys need help copying, or if you need some advice on what you should or shouldn't cop, I'm going to be linking a cook group down below. It's ASP Profits. It's a cook group that I'm part of. And I know a lot of cook groups can actually be pretty pricey, but this is actually a free cook group. So we have monitors, release links. So I'll be linking them down below. You guys can look for me in there if you join. I'm having kicks. So again, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you guys subscribe for more unboxings and reviews. Thanks again for tuning in. See you guys in the next one.